Welcome back and thank you for all joining me today. My name is Olivia and I'll be showing you a demo of my VR Lab 4, which is a dynamic scene in Unity. So I exported my Blender room that was created in the previous lab into Unity. Okay, so I did have to play around with the room import settings, the animation tab, and the materials to be able to extract the textures and the proper materials. Okay, so let me hit the play button. That way we can look into my Lab 4 design. And we're going to begin with taking a look at the traffic lights. So they turn on and off respectively for 10 seconds, continuously until I end the scene. While the green lights are on for 10 seconds, the red lights are off for 10 seconds, and also vice versa. So let's take a look over here. You can see that the red light is on. Oh, just turned off. It's very faint. While that's off, you can see that the green lights are on. So I did have to do some scripting for that, and you can see all my scripts will be located down here. Okay, so now let's walk towards the room. So here is one of my doors using animation, scripting, and also box colliders. So once the first person controller gets close enough to the box collider, the script will get triggered and the door will swing open and it's going to stay open. So if you look at the animator panel on the right hand side, once I get close enough, it will trigger and you're going to see that it's opening the door. It's going to open up to the garage room. Okay, so now we're going to see the second door that I designed, and it's with a hinge joint design. So I did have to play around with the anchor settings to get it to work properly. So once I walk through this door, you're going to see that it does spring back to its original position. Okay, and now I can actually go through back into the garage. Okay, it's going to go back into its original position, and then I can walk through. Okay, so here is my room from Blender that I exported here into Unity, and you're going to see the animated spinning chair in which I animated everything, made the 3D model in Blender. Okay, so now I'll be clicking on some various game objects here to play an audio clip. So I'm going to head over to this marble table over here, and you're going to see that there's a remote. So I'm going to click this remote over here, and it's going to play the Halo theme song, which will match the TV screen. So now I'm going to pause it by clicking it again. Okay, so now I can actually click it one more time and it will play where it left off. Okay, so now I'm going to walk over here to the speaker, which is a prefab that I downloaded online. So likewise to the TV remote, it can play and also pause. Okay, so now I just paused it with a click, and if I click it again, it's going to play the lo-fi beat, which I scripted it that way. So now I'm going to walk over here to the puppy. So now if I click its head, it will bark. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you all today. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.